Hello, let's talk about reactions and chemical equations. We learned atomic symbols earlier in the semester. That's sort of our alphabet. And then we learned nomenclature, how to name compounds. Those are sort of our words. And now we're going to take those words, those compounds, and put them together to make our sentences, which are chemical equations. So we write a chemical equation. We're going to start out with some reactants, and they're going to undergo some sort of changes in the course of a chemical reaction to make our products. Atoms are going to rearrange to make new molecules. When they do this, they follow the law of conservation of matter. And that matter is neither created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. How that is specifically going to play out for us is that the number of each type of atom on the reactant side has to equal the number of each type of atom on the product side. Remember going back to Dalton and his atomic theory that atoms don't change their identity during the course of a reaction. They just rearrange themselves in order to make new compounds. So when we write chemical reactions, they have to be balanced. And by that we mean they, in fact, obey the law of conservation of matter, that there's the number of each type of atom on the reactant side equals the number of each type of reactant on the product side. So they're going to be subscripts and coefficients. The subscripts are in compounds. And these we cannot change in order to balance the reaction. The coefficients you can change. These are the numbers out front of each compound. And we'll manipulate these in order to make sure that we have the number of each type of atom being the same on either side of the reaction arrow. During the course of a reaction, the reactants are used up and the products are being formed. When we go about balancing these equations, it's going to be by a trial and error method. And that's what we'll be doing in the next video. Thanks for watching.